to be a product of this school. Maraming salamat po sa mga few of you who are here. Yung iba nag-aaral. Thank you so for the warm welcome.
Yes, not to forget also your elementary school, the Ballesteros Central, and dedication. Now, merong lumabas na basher from the Facebook, from the internet. At I know, maraming mga challenges na napagdaanan mo. Ano yung mga challenges na ito and how did you cope with these challenges?
Well, sa nabanggit mo, sir, nga, may lumitaw na basher tayo on social media. And at first, it was hard for me to take all in that hate, that negativity. Kasi hindi po ako sanay sa ganun. I was always surrounded with love, with positive people. Kaya po, we're a very small town, but ang trato po natin sa isa't isa ay pamilya na para po magkakakilala na po tayo lahat. So, I was very grateful na kahit po it was a sad moment po sa akin and it was one of the challenges that I faced during the pageant, the journey. Marami po ako nakitang nagtanggol po sa akin sa social media, kaya maraming salamat po. Lagi ako mini-message nung iba, sabi, focus ka lang dyan, Rina, ako nang bahala, kami na ang bahala, kami na ang lalaban sa mga basher na yan. Kaya thank you so much po for keeping me uplifted, keeping me positive, keeping me stronger, and kinaya ko po yung malagpasan yung challenge na yon. And another one would be yung pagod po. And sinasabi ko nga po, it's a different thing joining a national pageant. Grabe yung sunod-sunod na activities. It's really a new experience sa akin na at first, nahirapan ako mag-adapt. Pero with time, kasi naman almost everyday siya, so unti-unti tayong naka-keep up to the pacing na meron po kami nun. Ang bilis lahat, walang tulog, tapos sobrang agad ang whole time. But I was able to make it. And syempre, hindi lang po dahil sa kinaya ko po ito dahil sa aking team, dahil sa support po ninyong lahat.
Ayan, palakpakan natin si congratulations, Rina, napakatibay mo. Diba? Umiyak ka ba noon? Hindi naman.
Yes. Naalala ko, sir, after ko yung maligo, after a very tiring day, nagpo-phone ako ganyan to check on social media. Tapos yun yung bumungad po sa akin. I remember sinend po yun ng one of my Q&A trainers. And then look at this, Rina, and try to realize if it's true or not, or how do you feel about it? Sabi ko niya. Tapos, parang I had a pause. Sabi ko, natatry ko na to. Sabi ko, first time ko to matry. And natulala lang po ako doon. And then, when I felt all the emotions, doon na po lumabas. Lalo nung tinawagan na ako nung isa kong Q&A trainer. Tapos, parang nag-debriefing kami, distressing. Doon namin diniscuss lahat, and he uplifted me during that time.
Yes, Rina. So, do not dwell so much on those negativities and make it a motivation to fight and to win in any endeavor that you are into. Okay? Now, this time, punta naman tayo sa advocacy mo sa Miss Philippines Earth. Your platform is dedicated with environmental conservation, tailored with sustainable tourism. And you are an accredited tour guide, just like me. I am also an accredited tour guide. Now, could you share more about the specific of your advocacy in Miss Philippines Earth? Tell me more about your advocacy.
So, I have two reasons why I chose this advocacy. First is, nung bata pa lang po kami is, I always love to travel. Kahit locally lang, mahilig kami ng friends ko mag-agwalay sa ating term. Ayan, after class, pumupunta kami sa iba't ibang municipalities to check what we can see there, kung ano man yung mga hidden gems sila, yung mga pasyalan, and yun po yung way or form of bonding namin. And then, nung nagka-pera na po ako, when I grew older and was capable of traveling locally and overseas, ayun, parang Secondly po sa Vietnam. Vietnam is very beautiful, rich in natural and cultural heritages. And yung mga tao po doon, very responsible. Nako-conserve and preserve po nila kung ano yung meron sila. And I got inspired and hope na sana madala din yun sa Pilipinas. Sana we get to do those practices as well. And knowing na Ballesteros po ay isang maliit na municipality, na bayan na hindi po kadalasang naririnig, hindi po kilala sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. I believe that championing sustainable tourism doesn't just help empower our locals in our community, but also would make Ballesteros seen or put in the map of the Philippines. Yun po.
Yun lang. Okay, congratulations, Rina. Talaga, kung kaya ng Vietnam, kaya din ng Pilipinas, through your winning, through your platform, pwede mong maging platform to make Philippines a Vietnam also, since you admire Vietnam. Okay, now this time, let's continue with our next question. Okay, sino yung tumulak sa'yo or nag-joke sa'yo para sumali sa Miss Philippines Earth?
Well, si Tita Gemini po was always pushing me to join Miss Philippines Earth ever since 16 years old pa lang po ko nun. Pero since sabi nga po nila ni Ma'am Sally, ni Ninang, tsaka ni Ninang Claire, I never compromised my education. So yung dream ko po that time, I set it aside pa to finish my studies, establish my career muna bago i-push talaga yung dream ko to join a national pageant. And yun po, this year or last year, kasi last year po ako nakapag-decide, I pushed myself naman na po to reach for that dream.
Well, and eventually you won the crown. From a local pageant, dumiretso ka sa national pageant, and eventually you won the crown. Congratulations, Rina.
Thank you.
Now this time, winning the national crown is a massive milestone, but your journey is just getting started. As you prepare to represent the Philippines in the Miss Earth pageant, what aspect of Filipino culture or environmental ecotourism are you most excited to showcase to the rest of the world? Since dito naman gaganapin yung Miss Earth, di ba? Ano yung pwede mong i-share sa kanila?
I think it's finally time to showcase Ballesteros naman po, or Cagayan Province in general. Kasi hindi rin po tayo kilala pa outside the country. Kasi pag iniisip ng mga turista, pag bumisita sa Pilipinas, usually ang pinupuntahan lang po, Cebu, Manila, Bohol.
Palawan.
And it's finally high time na makilala din po tayo. So, I hope that I could work more on my advocacy and create more promotional videos with your help and post it on social media para mas makilala po yung kultura natin, yung mga nature spots natin, destinations na naipagmamalaki po talaga.
Yes, so I hope all your dreams will be realized, Rina, in the aspect of tourism, in promoting Ballesteros. Yung host niya sa Miss Earth, hindi niya ma-pronounce yung Ballesteros. And we got so disappointed. Ano ma'am, ang sabi niya, Ballesteros on the first, nanalo ka Miss Hannah. Then sumunod, okay na. Naalam na niya, Ballesteros, Cagayan. And hearing that, we are so proud hearing pag sinasabi ni James Dickey, the host na, Ballesteros, Cagayan! Sabi niya, pumapalakpak kami dito sa harap ng munisipyo na tayo. Kahit kumukulong at kumikid lang, andyan kami. Di ba, Arky? Andito tayong lahat. Okay, thank you so much, Rina, for sharing your thoughts on my questions. Okay, this time, magkakaroon tayo ng Malaboy Abunda. Fast talk! Are you ready? Mabilisan to, ha? Are you ready?
Yes!
Pwede kang mamili ng isa, pwede kang mamili ng both. Okay? Okay, eto na. Lights on or lights off?
Lights off!
Okay, kasi nga, magpo-conserve ng energy. Let's go, Miss Earth. Guwapo or mabait?
Mabait!
Mabait? Meron bang nagpapakita sa'yo ngayon ng kabaitan? kabaitan dyan sa tabi-tabi?
Meron sir nandyan sa harap-harap.
Pwede mo ba siyang i-hi or mention ngayong umahapon? Mag-hi ka naman sa nagpapakita ng kabaitan sa'yo.
Edgar, hindi lang mabait, gwapo pa.
Diba? Edgar. Hi, Edgar! Edgar, punta ka ka dito. Mag-picture kayong dalawa. Halika na. Mag-picture ko na. Ayaw, hindi tayo mag-proceed pag walang picture. Ayan.
Wala, naniwala ka siya sir. Totoo ba?
Sige na. Halika na. Please. Halika na, Edgar. Para makilala ka naman ng ano. Kasi napakabait mo kay Rina. At tama lang na makita ka ng buong palyeser. Okay, picture please. Okay, Edgar, thank you so much. Okay, smile ba camera? Kasaan ba ako? Kasi dalawa mo.
Eda.
Di ba na ako kasali? Sorry. Okay, next! Thank you so much, Edgar. Next! Long coat or swimsuit?
Swimsuit!
Favorite din swimsuit?
Yes sir, nai-enjoy ko siya talaga.
Enjoy mo siya. Planting trees or cleaning the beaches?
Planting trees.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
What is the most beautiful part of Ballesteros?
The beach or Ballesteros Beach.
Yeah. Brain or heart?
Heart.
Heart. If you were an element, earth, air, fire, or water, which one are you?
I think water.
Water.
All elements are within my crown.
Yeah, andyan na lahat. You have collected all the elements. What is one thing that makes you instantly smile? Yung napapakita.
Looking at my mom.
Yan, si Ate Nancy. Crown or purpose?
Purpose.
Okay, complete the sentence. Ako parang laboy ang punta. I am blank and I am blank. Complete the sentence. Go!
I am Rina Andrea Reyes de los Santos and I am your Miss Philippines Earth 2026.
Wow!
Ayaw mo explain yung international crown? Sige, wait lang. I-record natin ito. I am black and I am black. Yung Miss Earth. Go!
I am Rina Andrea Reyes de los Santos and I am your next Miss Earth 2026.
Wow!
Let's play it. Thank you so much. And congratulations, Rina, for putting Ballesteros in the limelight. Ayan. I miss you. Ka-picture naman ako. Ayan. Thank you so much, Reina, and congratulations. And that is our Miss Philippines Earth 2026, Reina Andrea Reyes Los Santos. Quick on her feet, witty, and always a queen with a purpose. Let's give another huge round of applause to our queen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be awarding a resolution. May I have the Sangguniang Ambayan members of the local government of Ballesteros to award the resolutions to our queen. Allow me to read the resolution.